Hi, I'm Yappy. So welcome back again to Networth tracking. It's the 1st of August 2019. We didn't even know about Corona back then. Anyway, I was like looking after my grandpa at the time because I could work from anywhere and getting paid. But a fortunate thing happened where my uncle approached me and asked me to do some side job. So they had some issues with their database and their inbuilt ERP system and asked me if I can like take a look at it. I did, and I could help them. So in fact, I had a little bit of income in this period. For fuck's sakes, took me like 9 months. But yeah, this started to change my mindset as well about the startup because I knew this, I knew this wasn't sustainable. I was leeching off my parents. So yeah. I had like 130 euros in cash for some reason. I had like 1300 euros in the checking account. And I had some money on the N26, which may have been paid out from my uncle. And the stocks went up significantly. Well, that's great. Probably what happened is that they paid me and then I just moved all the money into stocks. Because, that's what you do when you don't have a house and live off your parents. You just dump everything in stocks. But please note that these are mutual funds, so S&P 500, that kind of stuff. I wasn't being too irresponsible, aside the crypto. And then student debt is still 20,000, so, haven't paid off a single dime. And this brings our net worth up to 17,000 euros. And in fact, this is probably one of the best quarters up till date. And the reason for that is that I have no expenses, right? So all the money that came in, it just went directly into my net worth. Yeah, just leeching mode. That was the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this. Thanks for watching. Bye.